When faced with a personal injury, whether from a car accident, slip and fall, medical malpractice, or any other type of incident, securing the right lawyer can significantly impact your ability to obtain fair compensation and navigate the legal system effectively. A personal injury lawyer not only represents your interests, but also ensures that you fully understand your rights and the options available to you. However, finding the ideal attorney can seem overwhelming, especially given the extensive options and factors to consider. Fortunately, with proper guidance, the process can become much simpler and lead you to the right advocate who will effectively handle your case. The first step in finding a personal injury lawyer is understanding your specific needs. Personal injury law is a broad field, encompassing everything from auto collisions and workplace injuries to medical negligence and defective products. Each type of injury or accident demands specific knowledge and experience. Consequently, defining your situation clearly can help you narrow down your choices significantly. For instance, if you were injured in a motor vehicle collision, you'll want an attorney with substantial experience in car accident cases. Conversely, for injuries arising from medical malpractice, you will need an attorney well-versed in the complexities of healthcare laws and procedures. Once you've clearly identified your legal needs, the next crucial step involves researching potential attorneys. Start your search by asking for recommendations from trusted sources such as friends, family members, or colleagues who have previously dealt with personal injury matters. Word-of-mouth recommendations often lead you to attorneys who are not only competent, but also have a proven track record of satisfied clients. Additionally, consider checking online reviews and testimonials. These provide insights into other clients' experiences and can help you gauge the reputation and effectiveness of potential lawyers. When conducting your research, it is equally important to verify each attorney's credentials. Confirm that any lawyer you consider is properly licensed and in good standing with their state bar association. You can typically find this information easily online via your state's bar association website, which provides access to lawyer directories and disciplinary histories. A clean professional record is essential, ensuring that the attorney practices ethically and maintains the highest standards of professional responsibility. Experience and specialization are paramount when it comes to personal injury law. Attorneys who have been practicing for several years and specialize specifically in personal injury cases generally possess deeper insight into relevant laws, precedents, and procedures. They are likely more adept at anticipating challenges, crafting strong strategies, and accurately valuing the worth of your claim. Look for lawyers with a track record of successful verdicts and settlements in cases similar to yours. Experienced attorneys will also have an extensive network of experts and resources to support your case, including medical professionals, accident reconstruction specialists, and financial analysts. After narrowing down your list of potential candidates, schedule consultations with each of them. Most personal injury attorneys offer free initial consultations, providing an excellent opportunity to discuss your case without financial commitment. During these meetings, pay close attention to how the attorney interacts with you. Effective communication is critical. A good personal injury lawyer will clearly explain legal concepts, actively listen to your concerns, answer your questions thoroughly, and provide an honest assessment of your case's strengths and potential challenges. Comfort and trust are also vital components of your relationship with your lawyer. Personal injury cases can sometimes last months or even years depending on their complexity and the willingness of the opposing party to negotiate a fair settlement. Thus, having a lawyer who you trust and with whom you feel comfortable sharing sensitive details can significantly ease the stress associated with legal proceedings. You should feel confident that your lawyer prioritizes your interests, maintains confidentiality, and treats your case with the importance it deserves. Another essential aspect to clarify during your initial consultations is the attorney's approach to handling cases and their fee structure. Personal injury lawyers typically operate on a contingency fee basis, meaning they receive a percentage of the settlement or court award, rather than requiring upfront payments. This arrangement ensures that the attorney is motivated to secure the maximum possible compensation. However, contingency fee percentages can vary, so it is essential to clarify these terms upfront and understand exactly what fees or expenses may be deducted from your settlement. Transparency about fees helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures you are fully aware of your financial obligations. The attorney's caseload is another factor to consider. Lawyers who juggle too many cases at once may not give your case the attention and focus it requires. During your consultation, inquire about the attorney's availability and their team's support. A well-resourced firm with a dedicated support team can handle case management tasks efficiently, allowing your attorney more time to focus strategically on your case. Additionally, gauge the attorney's trial experience. While many personal injury cases settle out of court, there is always the possibility that your case might go to trial if a fair settlement cannot be reached. Lawyers experienced in trial proceedings possess the skills necessary to present compelling arguments and evidence before a judge and jury. Hiring an attorney who is known and respected in the courtroom can sometimes even increase the likelihood of a favorable out-of-court settlement, as insurance companies and opposing counsel often prefer to avoid the uncertainty and expense associated with trials. After meeting with prospective attorneys, take time to reflect before making your final decision. Consider each attorney's qualifications, experience, communication skills, and your personal comfort with them. Ultimately, the right personal injury lawyer for you will combine expertise, reliability, and personal attention, significantly improving your chances of achieving a successful resolution. Finding a personal injury lawyer does not have to be a daunting task. With thoughtful research, careful evaluation, and deliberate selection, you can secure legal representation that protects your interests and guides you confidently through the complexities of your case. The right lawyer becomes not only your legal advocate, but also a vital partner who provides support and counsel during one of life's most challenging moments. By following these guidelines, you ensure that your rights are protected and your chances of obtaining fair and just compensation are greatly enhanced. Finding a personal injury lawyer can be one of the most important decisions you make after experiencing an accident or injury due to someone else's negligence. The right attorney not only helps you understand your legal rights but also plays a critical role in building a strong case and securing the compensation you deserve. With so many attorneys advertising their services, it's essential to focus on those with specific experience in personal injury law. A lawyer who regularly handles cases like yours, whether it involves auto accidents, slip and falls, or medical malpractice, will have the skills and resources necessary to navigate complex legal and insurance systems. Start by researching lawyers in your area and reading client reviews to understand their track record. You should also confirm that they're licensed and in good standing with the state bar. Most personal injury lawyers offer free consultations, allowing you to discuss your case without commitment. Use this time to evaluate how well the attorney communicates, their willingness to answer your questions, and their overall interest in your case. Ask about their fee structure, typically a contingency fee, which means they only get paid if you win your case. Transparency about costs and expectations is key to a successful partnership. Choosing a personal injury lawyer is not just about credentials, it's also about trust. You'll be working closely with this person, possibly for many months, so it's important that you feel comfortable and confident in their ability to represent you. By taking the time to find the right lawyer, you not only increase your chances of a favorable outcome, but also gain peace of mind knowing you have a dedicated advocate by your side throughout the process.